Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and happy weekend, happy Sunday. So today I want to teach another way. I want to learn another way to create a birthday flyer without being disturbed or being stressed out by making a good design. And in this tutorial I would like to use one of my pictures for a very clean design. So this is a pixellab interface, and you don't need to check the background, just leave it this way. So bring in your pictures that you want to use, bring in the picture you want to use. At least before I start anything, I have to make sure that I've tried it out. So this is the picture, just enlarge it, so we are good this way. Maybe this way, then lock it. So come here, bring out your shape, radius to 100, click OK. Come down here and give it a inner shadow. Just make sure everything is just make sure this one is 0 0. Okay, yeah, so it will be at 2. Because this one increase it all, increase everything. Click OK, then come to emboss. See, we have never thought of this, the work of this emboss before, so we want to use it today. Click on this emboss. So first of all, let's change the color. Let's change the color to this one. Okay, set it this way. Click on this one. For you to choose the color you want to use. Click on the picture, then mark anywhere there. So we are good. Click OK, emboss, enable it. Hope you see the way I'm doing it. If you come down to do this, it's a very simple something. Okay, Let's go back to our inner shadow again. Lightening is much. Don't want that lightning to be much. I think we are good this way, but that lightning is kind of much. After we are done this one, the rest is just simple. I want it to look like the background that I choose. Okay, this one is okay. Then bring it here. I have to use to cover the right up there because of all these photographers. I always put their name. So we are good. Copy. Bring it here. Copy again. Bring it here. Then what next? Bring it to your name. The birthday something. Happy. This one will be a capital letter. Then enlarge it. Come to fonts. I think I have taught you how you can download the font and insert it. So that shouldn't be a problem. Let's go for this. And this will be okay. So we are done with this one. So copy it again. You will have to copy it 2 times. So you hide one, then work on this one. Change it to black. Change it to color black, and then set it very well. Place it very well, or reduce it a bit, just a little bit. Now come to stroke. Give it a stroke, white stroke. Now let's give it a little more. 5 is okay. Then what next? Come here, bring in your shape, wipe it up this way. Come here, click on this one to merge it together. Click again, okay. Now we have merged it together. come to this area, erase color, enable it, click on this white, the one that has this number 1, click on it, sorry, I made a mistake, sorry for that. Now I should click on this one instead of that white, click on this one, so you choose dark color black, place this arrow on dark color black, and then you mark it, so it has taken away that idiot. So what next? Increase the tolerance and erase all those blacks. So what next? You come here, come to this one, enable this, now we are good with this. I think we don't have any problem. Click OK, lock it. No, not with this one. Then we are working on this one. Do the same thing. Sorry, we have to cancel this. Do the same thing. Mask. Remember that one, I put it instead of in, then I put it out. So the other one I put it out, not in. So this one you leave it the way it is. Yes, we are still working on it. This thing want to be a problem, but I will not allow you to be one. So we are good this way. Now come back to this one. Place this way, edit it, then you write birthday. So let's bring out this one. Your shape. Choose your color. No, let me choose this one. Okay, then copy it. Just write a name there. What a mistake. So we are good this way. Then you can just put the dates. The dates.